This is a quick video for the install of the Milwaukee Pack-Out Cart Edition, which includes the back feet as well as the front mounting brackets. And I'll show you everything, hopefully close up. So you want to start with assembling this. It'll come in a package like this. It'll most likely have a sticker saying "this way up." So it is designed to stand up like this, which I'll show you in a second. It's got color coordinated tabs as well. Remove that. You'll notice that the stickers are going to be associated with, on the back side, sorry, boom with that, boom with that. And that's because these are different lengths in bolts. Now, to know that you have it installed correctly, simply undo these. Essentially, what you want to see is on the bottom here that this fits in perfectly and that this is facing out. So in this particular circumstance, this one goes all the way down like so. This one slides in like that. Now, first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have these installed correctly inside of here. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, that's actually why we designed it like that. So it's in fact A-okay. And these go on the back. There we go. That's technically what these stickers are designed for. For help of installation, so you're able to put these and block this from popping out during the install. There we go. And you want to make sure that there's no gap. So just make sure that they're down. You can also push it down once it is installed. Oh, the other thing that is optional is the mounting screws. It's the self-tapping screws. If you put it in that hole right there, either hole is fine, but if you put it in that hole there, or the top holes on each side, it'll prevent it from sliding up. Some people have mentioned that it slides up, so that would be for that. Wow, professional video, let me tell you. There we go. So again, do all four corners. That goes in. Same thing on the back. Finger tight, that is it. It does not have to be tight. If you tighten it too much, you will crack it. Same procedure on the other side. I forgot to put these in, but essentially it's the same procedure on the other side. Make sure your nuts are in prior to that going in. You can remove these and you're good to go. So let us pretend that that's all mounted perfectly. Can remove all the afterwards. Don't need it. So let's pretend that was mounted perfectly. You then have the hardware for the wheel, which goes underneath. It'll come with the hardware. You put your smaller nut and bolt in here, put your larger nut and bolt here, and then that will be connected, and then that will work perfectly. I'm sorry, I'm just not able to do that at the moment. The other thing that you want to be aware of is these other brackets that will go on the back end. Again, following the same principles and the same design. These need to be installed. It's a requirement. It is very important. So, in fact, I'm not even sure, so I'm going to check right now to make sure that this is for the correct side. Undo this. And essentially, what we want, nope, that's the wrong side. There we go. So this roundish part goes up. Am I doing this wrong? Oh, I did have it correct the first time. How does it go? See, I don't even know at this point. Wow. Clearly incorrect. There we go. Oh, I apologize. It's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to go in back like this. There we go. Exactly like that. Just make sure it's all the way back and all the way up. You want to install this like this. And again, just make sure it's all the way up. Then tighten that up. It does not have to be too tight. And there we go. That's it. Now, this is absolutely needed. This is designed to transfer all the way to the box, into this, and into the frame of the cart. So when you actually push this into the bottom of the cart, this will touch the back frame. And when you go to lift the wheels and this tilts back, this will force all the weight into the frame. It's very important, otherwise it'll affect the bottom of your feet over time. That is it. Thank you.